Good morning everyone. In my previous video I have given you the revision of the histogram, and today I'll be giving you the revision of the frequency polygon and frequency curve. So here is an example. Construct a frequency polygon with or without histogram. अभी हम polygon की बात करते हैं, and with the same question I'll be telling you how to make a frequency curve. Now with histogram, yesterday I told you how to make the histogram. So histogram is already made here. 20 to 30, it is from 20 to 30 because I have taken 10, 20, 30. So अभी starting में 0 to 10 और 10 to 20 के बीच में कोई भी worker नहीं है. Here we have written the workers, number of workers and age. तो 0 to 10 में कोई worker नहीं होता, 10 to 20 में worker नहीं है, 20 to 30 में 15 workers, 30 to 40 25 workers. So this is how I have made the histogram. Apart from this, we have to make a scale also here. Scale, that means on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 workers, and on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 years. Right, this is the scale. Now how to make a frequency polygon? Frequency polygon is made, very important thing what you have to use a scale, because frequency polygon is a straight line made by joining the midpoints of the top of the rectangles. रेक्टेंगल्स मतलब जो हिस्टोग्राम के रेक्टेंगल्स हैं, ये रेक्टेंगल्स, तो इनके मिड पॉइंट्स हम ले लेते हैं. What we'll do is we'll use the scale, and by using the scale we'll join it. एक कर्व नहीं होना चाहिए, मेरा अभी टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो सकता है because I am not having scale. आपका कर्व नहीं होना चाहिए, you will make straight line, right? अब इतने में ये ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता. Where we end it, इससे पहले वाले जिसका हम बात कर रहे हैं उससे पहले वाले में एक मिडल और उसके नेक्स्ट वाले में मिडल से हम इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं, राइट, यूजिंग स्केल. यहाँ आके ये हमारा ख़त्म हो जाता है, राइट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी मेक फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन विद हिस्टोग्राम. एंड अबाउट आई से विदाउट हिस्टोग्राम व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी डायरेक्टली पुट द डॉट्स ऑन द corresponding years, like here again number of workers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Origin, and here it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We can extend it also to 80. We can extend it x-axis 80. Now how to make it? अब इसको ऊपर देखते जाइए. ये हो गए हमारे years, age in years. Now look, from 20 to 30, that means we have to see 20 to 30. इसके सेंटर में we'll make a point here at 15, right. From 30 to 40, center में we'll make a point at 25. Then 40 to 50, इसके सेंटर में ही, not on this, in the center we'll make a point at 7, somewhat here. Then 50 to 60, it is 5. Then 60 to 70, it is 2. So we have to join it using scale with a straight line. इसको हम फ्री हैंड नहीं बना सकते, ये स्केल से हमारा बनेगा, राइट. और इसको एंड करने के लिए इसके नेक्स्ट वाले के सेंटर में इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे, और इससे प्रीवियस वाले में हम एक सेंटर में इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं 15, 25, 7, 5, 2. This is how we make frequency polygon. अब इसी में अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ, इसी क्वेश्चन में, सेम क्वेश्चन में फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व कैसे बनाते हैं, दिस इज़ विदाउट हिस्टोग्राम। इसके अंदर फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व बनाने को अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ तो डिफरेंस सिर्फ इतना सा आ जाता है, एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम, बट द डिफरेंस विल बी ऑफ ओनली द not using the scale. So here if I make the frequency curve, so how will I make it? From 20 to 30 it is 15. I'll make a point, the same thing will as we've done in the frequency polygon. 30 to 40 it is 25. In the center I'll mention it. From 40 to 50 it is 7. 40 to 50 it is 7. I'll mark it 7. 50 to 60 it is 5. Then 60 to 70 it is 2. What we'll do is, we don't use scale now, we'll make a curve touching it, only a curve. Okay, इसके अंदर हमारी लाइन जैसे फ्री हैंडेडली, you have to make it free handedly and you have to touch it to the end, and here also you have to touch it to the end. This is how we make frequency curve. Curve is drawn without using scale, and frequency polygon is drawn with scale. On y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 5 students, and on x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 10 years. I hope frequency curve and frequency polygon is clear to you. Same like we have made with histogram, इसको अगर हम लोग free handedly join कर लेंगे like this, free handedly, तो it will become frequency curve. So this is only the difference between frequency polygon and frequency curve. I hope it is clear to you. Please go through it, watch the video, and if there is any problem you can ask me directly. Thank you. God bless you all.